Welcome to Bits. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the security products that we have to offer. Firstly, we have this Dawa 4-camera kit. The kit comprises of 4 1080p weatherproof cameras, a 4-channel DVR, all cables and accessories for easy do-it-yourself installation. Moving on, we have our Wi-Fi range of cameras. All cameras include 2 megapixel sensors, two-way audio, night vision, local and cloud storage. Firstly, we have this Dawa C22 indoor camera. This is a perfect Wi-Fi camera for anyone on a modest budget. Next up, we have the Smanos DB20 video doorbell. Once doorbell is pressed, you instantly receive a notification on your smartphone where you can begin both audio and visual communication. Next, we have the Smanos P180 Wi-Fi panoramic camera. This camera features a 360-degree viewing angle capable of capturing the entire area of a room. Moving away from video surveillance, we have Smanos alarm kits. All kits are completely wireless, feature easy do-it-yourself installation, can be self-monitored and require no contracts or monthly fees. The kits are bundled with a range of wireless accessories such as motion sensors, door-window sensors, key fobs, and Wi-Fi cameras. Once sensors are triggered, the systems sound the included siren, as well as you receive notification on your smartphone alerting you. Firstly, we have the Smanos X330 GSM alarm kit. This kit uses a GSM SIM card to send notifications via text message or phone calls. Next, we have the Smanos LO20 alarm kit. This kit uses your existing internet connection to send notifications to your smartphone. Last but not least, we have the Smanos W120i alarm kit. This utilizes your existing internet connection to send notifications to your smartphone. One added feature of this kit is that it comes with an included Wi-Fi camera. The camera features 1080p video, two-way audio, local and cloud storage, as well as night vision and motion detection. This kit also integrates with Google Home as well as Amazon Alexa. These additional accessories can be added to any one of the Smanos alarm kits: motion detectors, signal repeaters, door window sensors, keypads, key fobs, external sirens, panic buttons. The panic buttons can be especially useful for elderly loved ones. In case of emergency, they simply press the panic button, which then sounds the unit's built-in siren and send a notification to your smartphone. Thanks again for viewing this video. Be sure to like our Facebook page as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all products and promotions. Also, you can visit us at bitstrinidad.com, that's BITS Trinidad.com, where you could get more detail and purchase all products directly. Thanks again. Bye.